Welcome to this video walkthrough of this cozy one bed in the Alston Brighton area of Commonwealth Avenue. Okay, as you can see, there's hardwood floors throughout. Opens up to the living room. There's a closet, sliding door closet right here. Alright, good size, plenty of room. We have the little kitchen. Alright, fridge, cabinets up top, electric stove, sink, more cabinets below. Alright, so back to the living room. It's a good sized living room. And then we have the bedroom right over here. Closet, sliding door closet. Alright. We have the windows. Good sized windows. And it's a first floor unit, okay? But good thing the windows are off to the side. They're not directly on the front of Commonwealth Avenue, so you won't get too much noise. Lastly, we have the bathroom. All right, so a fully tiled bathroom, toilets, sink, vanity, shower, and tub combo with a window right there. Heat and hot water included. Hope you enjoyed the video walkthrough, and you can contact me, Angel, if you have any questions. Have a good one.